If you ordered a box, this is how you will receive it at your property. Please make sure not to use the label on the black film as shown on the video. The correct labels will be already attached to the box, so you don't need to worry about it. We will also send packing paper to protect the machine. And cardboard pieces for you to reinforce the box. The packing instructions will be shown later on other videos through their collection preparation process. When assembling the box, please make sure to fold it on a way that leaves the label on the top, so the driver can scan it when collecting. We have added a second label on the side just in case if you get it wrong. The bottom of the box must be closed and taped. You can use any tape, just make sure you make it safe and tight. We recommend taping it twice to make sure it is safely closed.